Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Now before we start this video, I want to put a little disclaimer out. This Tesla is going to be crazy. Let's get into the workshop. You are going to love this. Right on the light. Is that playing?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello everyone. So we are now in the wrap studio. As you can see, the Tesla is behind me and Marcin's behind me. I am now going to reveal to you what we are wrapping this Tesla in. Boom, 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 boom. How crazy is that? So as you can see, we have satin grey, satin black, satin white, and we also have a satin red underneath the red chrome sections. So what we're going to be doing is we're wrapping the whole car in the digital printed wrap. Once the car's wrapped, we then have a separate piece of the red chrome, which we then piece on top of this wrap to give it the chrome effect. Marcin is very, very experienced. He's been working for us for many, many years now. Can't fault him at all. Absolutely love him. Brilliant guy, but he's a bit nervous. He won't admit it, but I think he's a little bit nervous. Obviously, this print has to line up when it goes around the car. The side is going to be fine because we have obviously one straight line going down the side. But then when it comes over to the boot lid and the bonnet, he's got to make that line up. Let's get into the video and show you how we apply this wrap. This is quite good. Look at that. The wheels are going white. We have to do the wheels white. So guys, as you've seen, we are now finished in the fit up stage of the Tesla job. It looks absolutely phenomenal in the sun. The red chrome pops hard. I cannot wait for you guys to see this out and about. If you're living in Norwich, you physically can't miss this one coming down the road. So let me stop talking and let's get into the final part of this video. Let's go. Hi guys, so the Tesla is now complete. We're outside and it's very, very windy, so I hope you can hear me. You probably can't, so I'll have to check back on this on the computer. But I actually have Jake behind the camera here. Jake is now he's now taking a picture of me filming. He's getting some content. Jake is now going to be joining me in the social media team to start catching up on some of these videos, guys. We've fell quite far behind, in all honesty, with all the videos we have lined up ready to come out for you guys. But I think one of the first purchases that we need to do, Jake, we need a microphone. We need to up the level. We need to up the level. Yeah, look at him, he's loving it. Anyway guys, the Tesla, the craziest project we have done to date. Full digital, wow, can't even speak. Full digital print wrap over the whole car. We wrapped the door shuts in the same satin grey, which is in the digital print. We actually stripped out the interior. We took the dashboard bar out, wrapped that in that grey as well. All the center console trims. Looks absolutely awesome. Works perfectly against the bright white seats. The red chrome, I think the red chrome is the showstopper. If we didn't do that, it would still look good, but nothing like it does now. When the sun come round and hit that red chrome, wow, it generally hurts your eyes. We had it parked out here yesterday, and the sun in the morning was shining on the door, and it actually lit up all the car park down there in red, which was pretty cool. But thank you guys for watching till the end. We really appreciate all your support that you've been giving us over the years. And hopefully a lot of you people do like this. There's obviously going to be a lot of people who are going to give us some grief, but the customer was happy, so that's the main thing. That's what he wants. Yeah, thank you all for watching, guys. Let us know your comments. We'd love to hear them. We will see you next time.